Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel, to another video and another amazing winter diaries. Today I have a Tesco's haul for you. I'm going to show you what I got. I spent £101 and saved, I don't know if you can see, £19. £19.98 with the deals that I got. So let me show you. As usual, let's start with the frozen stuff. I got some chips. I was going to say crisps. French fries, chips. I also picked up this. I've never bought this before. I don't even know why it came up on my thing, but I thought that looks quite good. So I thought I would give it a try. Vegetarian cauliflower cheese grills. I got some raw king prawns there, frozen as well. And some chicken thighs. This is all frozen. Let me put this away and I'll show you the rest. Meat-wise, I've got a large chicken, some diced beef to make stew, some chicken livers here, which I haven't had in the longest time. I really like that. And also some steaks. I need to up my iron level a bit, if you can't tell that. So yeah, this is all the meat I got. Then other stuff, got some milk for Ozzy there, the blue top, some smoothies for Alex. They were on offer, can't remember, maybe £2 or something like that. Some cheese. Now, they were very low on cheese. They did not have anything but this, and apart from this, it was like extra mature. They didn't have Tesco's own brand. I don't know what is going on, but yeah. I also got Ozzy some of these yogurts. These were £1 on offer as well. I love this brand, so whenever they're on offer, I always get him some. Cheese-wise, I got some Baby Bell, £1.95, some string cheese as well. And then I also got sliced mozzarella and sliced Emmental, thing of spreadable butter. 2 dips. These were 79p, I think. So Aldi match price, because usually these used to be £1. So I got the sour cream and the red pepper hummus. I got some ham there, garlic bread, and then let's go into like produce. I've got some chestnut mushrooms. What's in here? 2 mangoes. Some grapes, red seedless grapes, and then I've got sugar snap peas, baby corn, some broccoli, some courgettes, bananas, 2 things of carrots, some peppers, and some cauliflower. By the way, Paul arranged all of this for me. Look at this. Look how well he organized it. So then we've got some bread stuff here. We've got a loaf of wholemeal bread and some bagels, as well as some little baby naan breads. I'm going to make curry this week. I've got some mayo, popcorn, some ketchup. These, I always go for the ones that are on offer. I got some fig rolls, 2-pack, because it's not very big. Crisps. You guys have heard about the Walker's problem. Basically, something happened at the Walker's factory. I think something broke down and they couldn't produce crisps. Well, Tesco's online is still saying, please be aware that crisps are not available as they normally are. And this is very true, because a lot of the stuff we usually have, I usually get, Paul, a 24-pack of this out of stock. Ready salted, they didn't have Tesco's own, so I got a variety, but not loads. Crisps, I've got these for Paul. These are for me and Alex. I got some cheesy puffs for everyone, and these are for Paul as well. I then got some flour, plain flour. I was literally out of it in my pantry. I have got still a little bit in my cupboard, baking cupboard, but I thought I need to restock. Some Worcester sauce. This is the Tesco's version, so it was 80p. I got some of these, they were on offer. These are delicious. 3 things of oat milk for Paul. 2 things of caramel rice cakes. Alex really likes these. I got some jelly, strawberry jelly. This is for a recipe that I might show you in a minute, actually. And then I got some toilet paper as well. Coconut oil. I mean, whatever. And then on this side, stuff for the baby, for Ozzy. Got some of these blueberry wafers. These were all on offer. Again, I can't remember the prices. I think this was like 70p. Carrot and parsnip melty puffs. 2 things of nappies, as you can see. There's also some of these strawberry and banana melty puffs that he loves. Also 70p. I actually got him pear and berries rice cakes, the Tesco's ones. Usually I buy the Organics, but if I can find the Tesco's version, because they're a lot cheaper. And then I got him some Go-Go pouches because they were on offer at £1.70, which brings these ones, which brings them down to, I think it was like 46p each, which is a very good price for 100ml. And these were £2. They were on offer as well. So, but they're sort of yogurt. You do not need to keep these in the fridge, but they're also very good. I think I've never tried them. This is it for the haul.
Un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Solo yo sé desayunar, solo tú comes el pastel. Con estilo siempre te vas, pero te vienes con placer. Me dijiste no quiero nada, pero quieres todo, mujer. Baby, yo te hago soñar algo más rico que la miel, mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Yeah, aquí viviendo roce, estamos solitos, ya son más de las 12. Pegándote bien lento, baby, para que tú goces. No somos algo serio, pero bien si me conoces. Yeah, tú eres el antojo de mi vida. De tanto que te pienso ya no encuentro la salida. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl. Pero no somos nada, nada, girl, yeah. Mi droga que te legalicen. No digamos el pecado, que hay cosas que no se dicen. Y en la piel tú y yo jugando, baby, ¿para qué te dices? Y tú solo dices que quieres más, que matemos la curiosidad. Eso hacemos, baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Seré el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Pa' serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, yeah, será lo que será, yeah, los dos vamos a matar, yeah, toda esa curiosidad. quieres se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío y yo de testigo. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Recuperé la fe cuando yo a ti te vi, mami. Bailabas como un ángel, me acuerdo de ese party. No lo hacías despacito, no eras como Daddy, eras como Bad Bunny, tu flow bastante cari, alright. Hermoso y con timidez me gusta, y con esa sencillez que asusta. Sabes bien cómo es que es combi completa de cabeza a los pies. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, te subo el pecho y te derrito el cono. En mis historias siempre te menciono, para esa reina necesito un trono. Sin effects, mami, yo te entono, con esos besos chica me emocionó. Con tu cuerpo y tu nivel, quieres otra vez. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Vamos 1, 2, 3, sin estrés. Muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres moverlo sin pena, ven. Sin estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz. Inicio el futuro, bebé, ya tú sabes.
And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much as always for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for more winter diaries. Bye.